مستر.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام مستر. ممكن اروح الحمام؟
Quickly.
اوكي.
We still have 4 minutes. You can go to the bathroom. Bring the book, the copybook, beside you. Open your camera, guys. Open your camera. Can we start now? I think you have a question. You had a question like this in the quiz yesterday. Use the given information to determine which lines, if any, are parallel. State the postulate or theorem that justify your answer. Okay?
Yes.
Angle 15 and angle 13. Angle 15. Kareem.
Good afternoon, Mr.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, Kareem. You were having a question like this in the quiz. Angle 15 and angle 13 are congruent. So if you start with the angles, you will use the converse of the theorems. Okay? What is the relation between angle 15 and angle 13? They are corresponding angles. So we can say the two lines are parallel because what? Because the converse of the corresponding angles theorem. Okay?
Sir, I am sorry because the app keeps crashing. There was a glitch with
Type number 5.
Sir, I want to ask you only. When did you give us the first question and third question? I took one.
Didn't give you the wait, Muhammad Hadi. You didn't take the relation between the angles, the corresponding and alternate interior, alternate exterior, and the consecutive interior.
But you didn't give us like us written in word letter in words, Mister.
No, I give you Muhammad.
You gave us only with the parallel by lines like this one.
Can you check Lasera, Muhammad?
Yes.
Check it. After that, you can decide if I give you.
Teacher, I didn't understand the parallel or perpendicular. The first
Okay,
question.
I explain it. Don't worry. Okay.
Good afternoon, Mister.
I'll explain everything. Don't worry. Good afternoon, Abdurrahman. But I am
Can I
talking
go
about
to the
this
bathroom, please?
quickly. I'm talking about this question. If you have the angle 15 and 13, if you start with the angles are congruent, so you are using the converse of the theorem. The 15 and 13, what is the relation between 15 and 13? They are congruent. Why they are congruent? What is the relation as the location of each one? 15 and 13, they are what, guys?
Corresponding.
Yes, so we can write, convert the two lines X and Y are parallel. Why? The converse of the corresponding angles theorem. Or you can write it in another way, the corresponding angles converse. Okay? Any one of the two. Number 2. Number 2. Angle 5 and 10. Who can tell me what is the relation between angle 5 and 10? They are congruent. Why? 5.
Alternate interior.
So you are using the converse of the theorem because you want to prove the two lines are parallel. X and Z. 5 and 10 are alternate interior for the two lines Y and Z with the transversal line X.
Yes.
Angle 6 plus angle 7 is 180. 6 and 7. 6 and 7.
Converse
of the consecutive interior angles.
Yes.
What are the two lines are parallel? Y and X, W and X. W and X. Okay? So the answer will be like this. Can you see the answer? Write it quickly. You can write the converse of the corresponding angle theorem, or you can start with the converse directly. Converse corresponding angles.
So I don't understand this. Can you repeat it?
What?
Can you repeat this?
Yeah, Mr. Kareem. Angle 15 and 13. Can you see it?
Yes.
He gave you the two angles are congruent. Okay? What is the relation between 15 and 13 according to the location?
It's corresponding.
So they are corresponding and they are congruent. What can you conclude? The two lines are
Converse, and
parallel.
of course.
So we
Yes.
wrote W parallel to the line X. Why, mister? By using the converse of corresponding angle theorem. Okay? Angle 5 and
Okay.
10. 5, can you see the 5? And 10.
Yes.
They are what? Congruent. And they are what? Alternate interior angles. According to which two lines? Y and Z. So we can write Y parallel to Z because of what? Alternate interior angles converse. Is it clear? Kareem?
Yes, Mister.
Now I want to hear it from Kareem.
Yes, miss, I understand.
The sum of the two angles 6 and 7 are is 108. 7 and 6. What is the relation between 7 and 6? And this relation related to which two lines? 7 and 6, they are consecutive interior angles. For which two lines? Y and W. And the transversal is Z. The two lines Y and X, X and W, and the transversal is Z. So the 7 and 6 are consecutive interior angles, and the sum of them is 180. So we can say the two lines W and X are parallel by using the consecutive interior angles converse, or the converse of the consecutive angles theorem. Okay? Also 16 and 3. Where is 16? This. Where is the 3? This. Can you see 16 and 3? This is a 3 and this is 16. They are alternate exterior or not? And they are congruent or not? Yes, they are congruent and they are alternate exterior. So we can decide the two lines Z and Y are parallel. Why they are parallel? Because we use the alternate exterior angles converse. Is it clear now, Kareem? Kareem, are you there? Kareem? Where is Kareem?
Hello.
Kareem, can you hear me?
Yes, I could. I was trying to unmute, but it was not letting me.
Okay. Is it clear now, Kareem?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Have you finished, guys, or you need more time to write the answer?
No, we are finished.
Mister,
Yes, sir.
can I go to the bathroom?
Who are you, sir?
هادي دمنهوري.
Damanhuri or Hadi?
هادي دمنهوري.
Okay, quickly.
Okay.
Mister, can you please solve the quiz today if you can?
This is one of the questions included in the quiz, Ustaz.
Yes. I only need one question from the quiz. I didn't understand.
Okay, I'll show it to you now. Don't worry. But I try to close all these tabs. I think this one. Am I correct? You are talking about this one.
Yes, that's one.
Okay.
I can't see it.
Guys, can you see the question?
Yes.
What is the slope for this line?
Four over 5.
Very good. What is the slope of the first line?
0.8.
What is the relation between 0.8 and 4 over 5?
Only we divide 4 over 5 and will become 0.8.
They are equal or not?
Yes, they are parallel.
So we can say this line and this line are parallel.
Yes.
So the first answer is what? Parallel. This one.
Yes.
Okay. The second one.
So can
What
you
is
repeat
the
it
slope
again?
here?
4/5.
Okay. What is the slope in the second line?
Negative 0.8.
Are they congruent?
They
No.
are perpendicular.
Are they congruent?
Sir, how
No, sir.
4
Mr. what do
over
you mean by
5 you are in
congruent?
grade 9 equals negative 0.8.
No, Mr.
Mr.
So they are
what
not
you
equal.
give us?
Can you multiply the two slopes, 4 over 5 and negative 0.8,
Yes.
by using calculator? 4 over 5, you are in grade 9, multiply by negative 0.8. What is the answer, guys?
What?
Zero
How?
point
Mr. How?
okay.
Yes, negative 0.64.
Is it negative 1?
No.
No.
So they are not perpendicular.
Yes.
Okay?
Can give us before examples about this?
I think you know it before, yeah, Mr. Muhammad Hadi. And I gave it to you in the beginning when we made the warming up. Revise the recorded classes, you will find it, Muhammad Hadi.
Mister, can you repeat it because I was not here?
Again.
After I get 1/5?
This is 4 over 5. And this is negative 0.8. Is the two slopes, or are the two slopes equal?
No.
No.
يا ابني answer.
Yes.
4 over 5 equals negative 0.8.
No, Mr. No.
So they are not parallel.
Yes.
Multiply the two slopes. If the product is negative 1,
No, Mr.
No.
as you saw here, the product was what?
Negative
One.
0.64.
So if the product is not negative 1, so the two lines are not perpendicular. What can I write here for this line?
Neither.
Neither parallel nor perpendicular.
Very good. Look at this line and this line. What is the slope here?
4/5.
And what is the slope here?
Negative 1.25.
Are they equal?
No.
So they are not parallel. Can we multiply the two slopes?
Yes, we get negative 1.
0. Point. Sorry. 4 over 5. The first slope. Multiply by negative. Yes.
Only if it's negative 1, always it's going to be. So it has to always be negative 1?
Yes. What is the answer here, guys, when I multiply the two slopes?
So
Negative
for all
1.
question,
Negative 1.
so
Yes.
for all question, it has to be negative 1, right?
So the two lines are what, Kareem? If the product of the two slopes is
Perpendicular?
negative 1. Kareem,
Mr. He says perpendicular.
perpendicular. So what should I write here?
Perpendicular.
Can you tell me the answers in the
Hello?
order? This
Mister,
is
can you hear me?
parallel,
Parallel.
neither.
Neither and perpendicular.
So which one is correct?
The third answer.
C. I think.
Parallel, neither, perpendicular. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Muhammad Hadi is saying, Mister, you didn't explain it to us before. What? How can I decide the two lines are parallel or perpendicular? Okay, Muhammad. I'll show it to you, Muhammad. Don't worry. If I give it to you or not.
When I asked you about the assignment in the WhatsApp, why didn't tell me to get back to the examples?
Why you didn't go to the recorded class? Muhammad, open your camera, please. Muhammad, you are blaming me because I didn't answer your question. Is it correct?
No, mister, because I
Just
don't remember that you
please
explained anything about this.
follow my questions, please, one by one. You are
Yes.
blaming me because I didn't answer your question
Yes.
on WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay? But
Yes.
you didn't blame yourself because you didn't go to the recorded classes to see if I explained it or not. This is the first one.
So,
The second
Mr.
one. Muhammad, can you wait?
Okay.
You have the book or not?
I have it.
If you open it, you will lose any mark.
No.
So why you didn't open the book to find it?
Mister, I opened the book. I didn't find
So how
anything.
many ways you can check?
I
If
didn't.
you
I
had it,
didn't like Mister the lesson Aslan. I searched in the book.
I'll show it to you when I explain it. Look at the screen, Muhammad. Okay? This is the lesson when I explained it. Can you see my display, Muhammad?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, this is the resources. I'll go to the chapter 3 because you said I didn't explain it, Muhammad. But if I prove I explained it for you, okay? You will bring big for all the class. Are you agree?
Mister, I agree.
Okay.
Okay.
Me also, Mister.
Number 3.
Muhammad, can you wait?
Okay.
Yani, Muhammad, we are not fighting together.
I can wait, no problem.
Okay. This is the list. When I started Kareem, I think this is the first one I explained it.
Yes.
I think yes.
Just wait. Wait to see. Can I show the answer, Kareem?
Yes, mister. You showed us this.
Did I explain it before or not?
Yes, mister.
Yes, Mister.
Muhammad Hadi. Muhammad Hadi. I want to hear your voice.
Yes, I'm here.
So I explained it or not?
But it's not the same. The question, the same that the question you gave us.
You are in grade what?
Mister, I don't. Now
Yeah, Muhammad Hadi, please answer my question. Follow me one by one. You are in grade 9.
Okay.
You know the slope intercept form of the equation or not? Of the line.
I don't know. I didn't take it in my school. I forgot.
You didn't take it before?
I don't know, mister. I forgot.
Okay. If I give you this line, Muhammad.
Took it in grade 7.
Can you wait, Muhammad? You are not fighting.
I'm waiting.
Okay. Muhammad, if you have this line, can you tell me how can you find the slope? And if I give it to you before I explain it today, you don't know how to find the slope?
No, I don't know.
Really, Muhammad?
I know only to put it on to make it x and y and put the.
Which subject you finished it last year?
What
in your school? Which subject you finished it last year?
We finished in math.
Yes.
I think so. We finished by the geometry.
Geometry.
Or algebra. I forgot. I'm not sure.
You finished algebra 1? Answer me, Muhammad. You finished algebra 1?
When we took about the lines and the shapes. We took about the.
Muhammad Hadi. You finished the course of algebra 1 or not?
Not all.
Yani you didn't take the linear equation?
We took it.
You don't know how to find the slope if you have the equation y equals 4 over 5x minus 3?
I think so, sir. You should make the.
For example, Muhammad Hadi, I am discussing with you this problem. If I told you 2.5 multiplied by 6.35, if you don't know how to multiply it, who is responsible about this one? Me or you?
I know, sir, how to multiply them.
You know? But if
Yes.
you told me, Mister, I took it in grade 4 and 5 and I forgot it, should I explain it again?
No, sir.
I'm not blaming you,
Mr.
Muhammad. Yani even you don't know the answer, I gave it to you in the warming up, then I explained it to you, then I explained it to you now. I explain it to you now. So what should I do now, Muhammad? Muhammad, I think we have 23 students, so you can order 23 bakes.
I told you, sir, also number 3.
You, Muhammad.
Mister, I agree.
Mister, I want مسحب if he ordered.
Guys,
Spicy.
he said to me, Mr. Gamal, you didn't explain it to us.
I said also number 3. I said 1 and 3.
Can you read this,
مستر
Muhammad?
خلاص where is the back?
Muhammad, can you read this?
Okay.
What is written here?
Variance.
Equal what?
Slope.
Perpendicular.
The product of the slopes is minus 1. Mister, but you didn't give us examples. You just said this. You didn't give us examples.
You said again, Muhammad, I'll prove.
So
I prove it for you.
So, Mister, give me an example that you made in the listing. That you made like this example, not perpendicular is minus 1.
Muhammad Hadi, the mister will not give you the same question in the quiz. He needs to change some things.
I know, change the numbers, no problem. I didn't say about the numbers. I'm saying
really, I appreciate your efforts, and I'm not blaming you, but I try to tell you the skills of math should be connected together. You must not, you should not forget any one of them. Okay, Muhammad?
No need, no problem.
Okay?
Okay, Mister, we need back.
You need what?
Back, Mister, back.
Yes.
Tell him, ask him. Muhammad.
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Inshallah, when we come to the school, everyone will have one big.
Muhammad, where are you from, Muhammad Hadi?
Syria.
Welcome, Muhammad. والنعم. Nice to see you in our school, Muhammad. You are one of the best students. And if you are caring for one question, Muhammad.
Yes, Mister, I'm hearing you.
Did I explain this before?
Yes, I think so.
Answer me, Muhammad.
Yes.
Did I do that? Okay, line. It is correct. When I move this, Muhammad.
Yes.
You remember when I said to you, look at the slope?
It's not, you said it doesn't get to 90, yes?
Okay.
Okay. It's not now right angle.
Okay. What is the slope?
The slope is...
Wait. I didn't fix it.
0. Alright. What's this?
I cannot do it. I did it before, but no, now I don't know how to fix it.
The slope is infinity, right?
When you have 90?
Yes, when you have 90 degree, a right angle.
I try to fix it to Muhammad to show when the angle is. And I told you when I did it before, Muhammad. If you have the angle is 90, they are perpendicular and the slope equals 1, but it is not appearing here. Am I correct, Muhammad?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to record everything, Muhammad. Okay, guys. Let me to tell you what will we do today, because I am happy to know what are the weaknesses points for you. Don't forget, Muhammad, we are giving the quizzes to discover what are the information you are or you forgot it, and what are the information which you have. You remember, Muhammad, that or not?
Yes, yes. Mr.
You are
I think
Muhammad Hadi. Muhammad Hadi. Open your camera.
Okay.
Muhammad Hadi.
Yes.
Yani if I give you anything, you have to try it. Like if you buy anything, an item from the grocery, from the pharmacy, from the shop, you have to try it, okay? The information which I give it to you, you have to try it. How can you try it to see it is good or not? By making the quizzes, by making the homeworks, by making the assignments. Why we give you the quizzes and the assignments? To discover what are the weaknesses, what are the information you got it in your mind, and what are the information which you didn't understand it well, so we can cover it later, we can carry it later. Okay, Muhammad?
Okay, okay.
So the quizzes is not for challenging you, for fighting between me and you, just only for understanding. Okay, Muhammad? Don't worry, sir. Smile, please. No need for bake.
Okay, okay.
We don't need the bake, okay? We cancel the orders. Okay. I think we opened these files, guys. Am I correct? Am I correct or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
These files we opened it before. This is extra. I think you have these examples in your book. Who can answer the first question?
Me, if I can, Mr.
Yes, Muhammad. Yes, Abdurrahman. Question number 1.
Okay.
Angle 3 and 7. Look at 3 and 7.
3 and 7.
Yes. And this is 7.
They are.
What are the two lines are parallel at first? For 3 and 7.
Alternate interior.
Yes. Converse. Alternate interior.
Converse. Alternate interior converse. Yes.
But you have to decide which two lines are parallel at first. The 3 and 7 are alternate interiors for which line? Which lines?
A and B. A and B.
What is the transversal?
And the transversal is L.
Okay. Question number 2. Riyadh. 9 and 11.
9. It's alternate interior angles.
9 and 11, Riyadh. Think again.
Yes.
No.
9 and 11, Riyadh.
I don't know, Mr.
They are Mr.
Yusuf Samaha.
Teacher, can I answer?
Then who are you, sir?
Muhammad Wail.
Muhammad Wail. What is the relation between
Mr.
Is it consecutive interior?
No, Habibi. 10 and 11 are consecutive interiors. 15 and 14 are consecutive interiors. 6 and 11 are consecutive interiors. 7 and 10, 7 and 6, all the interiors here.
No, I mean
These are the
corresponding.
Oh, yes. So we can say, what are the two lines are parallel if you have the 9 and 11 are congruent? 9 and 11 are congruent. So what are the two lines are parallel? We have 4 lines, L and M, A and B. Which two lines are parallel if you have the 9 and 11? A and B. So we can write here what? A and B, or A parallel to B. What do you have to write here?
Corresponding interior.
Corresponding angles, theorem, converse. Or you can write converse of the corresponding angle theorem. Okay? Number 3, angle 2 and 16, guys. Riyadh.
Grammar.
2 and 16.
They
are what?
They are internal and alternate external.
Alternate external. Okay?
Yes, Mr. Alternate external.
What are the two lines are parallel where the two angles are congruent? L and M. So we can write L and M, or L parallel to M, because what? 2 and 16, the converse of alternate exterior angles. Type 5 and 12. 5, what is 5 and 12? 5 and 12 are supplementary, equals 180.
They are consecutive interior angles.
Consecutive interior angles. So what are the two lines are parallel?
L and
L
M.
and M.
L and M. Where L? We have a student, his name is Wael. Wael? Okay, guys. Open your book, please. Open your book.
Mr. Which book?
The geometry book.
Okay.
The exercises which you have.
All
Just I'll change this one to be PDF and Word. Answering.
Mr. Page, what?
I'll give you the number of the page now. This page is what, guys? 225? $225 or 226?
Mr. 226.
226?
Yes.
You have the book or not, guys?
Yes, Mr. I have the book.
Yes, Mr.
Question, example number 1. You have the answer for this example? Look at the angle 2 and 8. 2 and 8. They are congruent. Am I correct?
Mr. Page, come.
220. I don't know, and I give you the number before. 226.
Okay, Mr.
You have the same page or not, guys?
Yes, Mr.
You have the answers is written in the book or not?
No, we have
No, we have to write
Can you
it.
copy the answer, please? And
Mr.
if you have any question, you can answer me. You can ask me.
Okay.
Muhammad Adi, are you sad?
No. No.
I feel you are angry or you are sad from me.
No problem.
How much you got in the quiz if you want to say?
Okay, Mr. I got 1/5. I said.
So don't worry. You need another one to improve your marks?
If you can, yes, please.
Yes, Mr. If you can, please.
Okay, I'll do another one this week. Don't worry.
5, the first quiz for the
Anything will help you to.
Mr. I got 5 out of 5.
Who are you, sir?
Abdulaziz Badri.
Oh, excellent, Abdulaziz. Now you can see it well, guys?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Mr. We can see it.
If you have the two angles are congruent, so you decided the two lines are parallel, you have to mention the name of the theorem. What is the name? You should start with the word converse. You can put it in the first, on the beginning of the statement, or you can put it at the end of the statement. Is it clear, guys? I wrote it here for you by two ways. Alternate interior angles, converse. Or you can start with converse of I think this is grammar يعني. If you put the word converse, you have to put after it
Yes.
off. Okay? We still have only 4 minutes.
Yes, mister. We have only 4
Yes.
minutes.
Can I go down? Or can I put it 2 pages? I want to put it
I
2
finished
pages.
it, yeah, sir.
Me
Yes,
too,
I-
I finished.
I think I can put 2 pages better than that, okay? Can you see the 2 pages, guys?
Yes, mister.
Yes, we can.
Yes, mister.
But
Or
Mr.
this
Right.
better?
Mister, when we solve it, check. Yes, check.
Can you see it well, or you want to
Yes,
maximize it?
yes, yes. It's good, mister.
No,
It's
no.
good for me.
Anyone cannot see the screen? When you have the 2 angles, the sum of them equals 180, so you have to mention the 2 lines which are parallel. Then write the consecutive interior angles converse. This one you have to solve it to check if the answer is correct or not. I think we solved this one before. Am I correct? Yesterday we solved this one.
Yes, mister. Yesterday.
Yes.
With
We
the
solved
steps,
it.
huh? I think I solved it in
Yes.
2 days, 2 ways.
Yeah, Mister, 2 ways.
Yes, mister. 2 ways supplementary, linear pair, and
Okay.
يعني this.
I think we
The
solved
same
all
equal.
these questions, guys. But I want you to. So, Muhammad Ali, now you can check. Huh? You are sure now I am solving all the questions from the book or not? Muhammad Hadi,
Mister.
all these questions are included in the book or not?
Yes.
We solved it yesterday and before or not?
Yes.
So what?
So I don't have any.
You don't have any comment?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad, send me your location to send you an order of bake.
I send you what, mister?
Your location.
Why?
I want to send you a meal from bake
Why?
as a gift. Okay, Muhammad.
He doesn't know if you're serious or not.
Okay, guys, you want me to upload this file to Classera now?
Yes, Mister. It's better.
Okay, just a minute. Can you give me 1 minute, please? Don't leave the class before I upload it.
Also, Mister, I'm done.
Okay, just a minute. By the way, why you don't want to increase your score? If you receive any file, please send any message to me. Write any comment.
So you can get points, mister?
You also.
Yes, all of us get points.
What do
I
I do?
think I sent it. I sent it yesterday. I sent it yesterday. Where is it? Oh, maybe I sent it to another class. Okay. I think this one.
Mr. The period finished 1 minute ago.
Where is Mohammed?
I'm here, Mr.
Are talking?
Yes.
Okay, I want to say hi, bye for you at first. This is the 2 grades. You have it now, guys. Okay. Open your camera, please, before you leave. All of you, especially Muhammad Hadi. Smile, Muhammad Hadi. Don't be sad from anyone. We are trying to make the period fun because this is the last period.
I'm not sad, Mr.
Okay. If you send me your location, I can send you a mail from Bake.
Okay.
Okay. Open the cameras. I didn't see everyone.
Okay.
I want to see
Mr. See, I
everyone.
am signing. Mr. C.
Have a nice day. Don't be sad from the quiz. You have to know that the quiz for caring your weaknesses. Thank you, guys. Don't care for the marks. We can give you another quizzes to improve your marks, and we will drop the least one. Don't worry. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, Muhammad Hadi. The first one beside you, Mohammed. Give him two meals.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you, Abdurrahman. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
Bye, Mr.
Bye,
Thank you.
bye, Yusuf.
Bye, Mr.